Now, what has happened is this. All right, I'm going to close the radio off. We were gangs. As I came out of Petco, 2 red cars passed by. We came to the park to take a walk, and when we came to the park to take a walk, the sprinklers came on all of a sudden, and they do that in government gang stalking. Now, another place that we walk is here on State Street, and we usually park right there. And I would like you to take a look at the man in red sitting in front of the place that we usually park. All right, so we park and we go for our evening walk in the same places all the time. Like we walk here on State Street, I'll park right there where you see the man. My car motor is running because I was just about to park. I park right there where you see the man with, or woman, whoever it is, with red pants. So we tried to walk in the park. The sprinklers came on as soon as we got there. They do that in government gang stalking. In other words, they're abusing their ability to track, because really, they're not tracking you to see where you go. They're tracking you to unremittingly harass. So that I go to the place on State Street where I usually park, and a man in red or a woman in red is there. I go to the park to take a walk, and the sprinklers go on. This goes on 24/7, and it's been going on for over 10 years. Now, you can tell me that we have to stop sexual abuse of women, abuse of power, but then don't ignore the government abuse, which has been going on for over 10 years in my case, where you have an American Stasi, where you have thousands of people over a 10-year period harassing one person. Now, of course, this is going on with there goes a red car that just passed by. All right, this is going on with multiple people all across the United States. But don't tell me that you can ignore this and, you know, make a horror storm over sexual abuse that lasts a few minutes. I'm not degrading the going after people that sexually abuse. We got to do that, but this is on a level with that. Being gang stalked by thousands of people everywhere you go, being unremittingly harassed, trying to walk in a park and having the sprinklers go on, and that happens all over the place every day when I take my brother to take him for his walk. This is outrageous, and you are enabling this by not demanding that it be investigated.